Shout out to all my fellow foodies who love to be happy and satisfy their cravings for good food. It's time to learn some new cooking tips to save our time, make a food finger licking good, and help a family bond more and more. Tell everyone it's time to watch our favorite cooking show, Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. Welcome to Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. Tell everyone it's time to watch our favorite cooking show, Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. Welcome to Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
Hello, beautiful foodies. You're welcome to another episode of the Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. This is a show where we showcase different delicacies from across the globe. Come with me today when I bring you another beautiful and delightful recipe. In this video today, I'll be making the classic banana muffin bread. So what makes this dish a classic? That is because it's a variation on the normal classic bread that everybody makes. This one, we are incorporating some bananas into it just to, give a variety, give us varieties, options in our daily or breakfast ideas. So let's go through the ingredient list.
Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
So to make this delightful banana bread, we will need some all-purpose flour, some sugar. So I have some nicely chopped almonds here, baking powder, baking soda, some salt. I have brown sugar here, 2 eggs, room temperature, butter melted, some bananas here, and I'll also be using vanilla flavor. I have already buttered my pan and it's already lined with the sheets, so it's ready to go into the oven. So all what we need to do now is to mix up the ingredients and pop it into the oven. So we will mix all the dry ingredients first. So I'll just pour in all the dry ingredients together into the bowl. Baking powder, this is baking soda. I'm going to drop the measurements on the comment section, and it will also be on our website, so feel free to check it out. So I have some sugar here, some brown sugar, some cinnamon powder, and I'll give it a good whisk together. Make sure you sieve out your flour before you use it, so that aerates the flour and also removes any clumps that might be there. This is done. So now I'm going to be mixing all the wet ingredients. We start with the banana. I am going to use my masher. That's going to make it faster. If you have a more softer banana, that will make it's also perfect for this recipe, and it actually make your bread sweeter because of the natural sugars in the banana. And this is fine. This is the consistency. So I'll go ahead to mix in all the other wet ingredients. 2 eggs goes in, melted butter, and some vanilla flavor, just a tablespoon of that, a teaspoon, sorry. I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon, so that's 4 of that. And so we also give this a good whisk. Whisk. We have to be careful not to over whisk. So this looks good. I need to add some salt to my flour, just a pinch, and I'll mix together. So now we add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. And we go in with the spatula and mix together. Make sure or be careful not to over mix the mixture. Don't really need much, just to combine the ingredients and you're good to go. I'll see you when it's ready to go into the oven.
Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
So it's well mixed now and ready to go into the oven. I've already been preheating my oven at 200 degrees centigrade for some time now, so the oven is hot and ready to go. Like I said earlier, the pan is greased, is buttered and greased, so, and lined with paper. So I'm just scooping this into the tin and we'll pop it into the oven. And when you are done, it's ready to go into the oven. So this is the last one. throw this to the pan. And we are ready for the oven. So what I'm going to do now is to top this with some chopped almonds. If you have dry walnuts too, you can use that. So we're ready for the oven. So we're ready to pop this into the oven now. Like I said, oven has been preheated and ready to go. So we're going to bake it for 8 to 10 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade, and then for another 8 to 10 minutes at 175 degrees centigrade. So I'll see you then. So I need to clean up my table. I'll see you afterwards.
Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
So our time is up and our bread is ready to come out of the oven. Wow, looks and smells amazing. Wow, beautiful. This is amazing. It looks wonderful too, and I'm sure it's going to taste delicious. So I can't wait to cut this open, and I'll see you with our taster in the house.
Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
Wow, so we're back here and our banana bread is out. Smells heavenly, don't you agree?
I can eat it from the taste.
In fact, what are you waiting for? Please dig in, dig in, dig in. Wow.
Okay, so nice.
And look at it, so moist, not dry at all. So
I'm having extra.
it's there for you. So moist, so delicious. The cinnamon shines through.
I can taste that.
Wow. And in fact, everything is set to perfection.
Everything is missing. This is great.
I agree. I agree.
I'm definitely trying this out.
Oh, really?
Definitely.
I'm happy. My job here is done.
With every bite comes a different.
Each mouthful feels different because of the different components, and it's amazing.
This is great.
The butter, you can smell the butter. You have that buttery feel in your mouth.
Yeah.
It's heavenly. It's divine. So you have heard from the horse's mouth. Tell me, will you try out this recipe? And if you do, let me know in the comment section. I'll be there waiting for you. Till another episode of the Debbie's Kitchen Delight. Don't forget, you need to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Then tell others too to also follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So till another time, have a nice day. Bye.
Shout out to all my fans.